Have you noticed your skin looking dull lately? Your eyes feel strained after long days on a screen? Or maybe you've been catching every little cold that passes through the house. It's easy to blame stress or exhaustion, but sometimes it's not your schedule, it's your nutrition. You might be running low on something your body depends on for vision, immunity, and vitality, vitamin A. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and this is Longevity for Moms, a space where we help women and mothers reclaim their health through science, compassion, and simple habits that truly last. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you for one small thing that makes a big difference. If you find value in videos like this, clear, research-based guidance made for real women, please subscribe and help us continue this journey. Your support allows us to create free educational content for mothers around the world who deserve to feel strong, beautiful, and fully alive again. Now let's talk about the subtle signs your body is quietly craving vitamin A and how you can restore it naturally. Sign number 1, dry eyes or poor night vision. If your eyes feel dry or strained after long hours on a computer, or you struggle to see clearly in dim light, your body might be signaling the first sign of low vitamin A. Vitamin A helps your eyes produce rhodopsin, a pigment that allows you to see in low light. When your levels drop, your eyes struggle to adjust, leading to dryness, blurred vision, and even night blindness. The National Eye Institute found that vitamin A deficiency can gradually weaken visual function, especially in women who spend long hours indoors or on screens. Here's what helps. Eat more carotenoid-rich vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Their deep orange and green colors are nature's clue that they're full of vitamin A precursors. Pair them with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, because vitamin A is fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs it best with fat. If you eat animal products, add eggs or liver once in a while. In small amounts, they're potent natural sources. Your eyes are windows not just to your vision, but to your nutritional balance. Sign number 2, dry, dull, or flaky skin. If your skin feels dry no matter how much moisturizer you use, or if you've noticed rough patches, breakouts, or peeling lips, this could be another quiet sign. Vitamin A is vital for cell turnover, the process that renews your skin and keeps it soft and radiant. When levels fall, old cells cling to the surface, leaving your skin dull, uneven, and more prone to acne. In fact, dermatologists use vitamin A derivatives, called retinoids, to help patients rebuild smooth, healthy skin. Here's what you can do. Eat colorful produce. The deeper the orange or green, the higher the beta-carotene. Add zinc and vitamin E. They help your body activate and protect vitamin A. And remember, skin health starts from the inside, not your moisturizer bottle. If your skin has lost its glow, your body might be asking for nourishment, not new products. Sign number 3, weak immunity or frequent infections. Do you seem to catch every cold that comes around or take longer than usual to recover? Vitamin A is one of your immune system's strongest allies. It protects the mucous membranes, the thin lining inside your nose, lungs, and gut, acting as a barrier that keeps bacteria and viruses out. When your vitamin A is low, those barriers weaken, making infections more frequent and recovery slower. A 2019 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that individuals with low vitamin A had a 40% higher risk of respiratory and gut infections. What helps? Add orange and green vegetables like kale, pumpkin, carrots, and broccoli to your daily meals. Pair them with protein like eggs, chicken, or yogurt to help your body convert beta-carotene into active vitamin A. And during flu season or high stress, consider a balanced multivitamin for immune support. Your immune system isn't failing, it just needs the right fuel. Sign number 4, hormonal imbalance or fertility issues. If your menstrual cycle has become irregular, PMS symptoms feel more intense, or you've noticed a dip in libido, low vitamin A might be part of the picture. Vitamin A supports the glands that produce estrogen and progesterone. Without it, your body struggles to maintain hormonal balance, affecting your mood, energy, and reproductive health. A 2022 study in the Journal of Reproductive Biology found that vitamin A deficiency disrupts ovarian function and hormone receptor sensitivity, especially in women with high stress or low-fat diets. How to fix it? Include foods rich in both vitamin A and healthy fats, like spinach sautéed in olive oil, eggs, or salmon. Avoid extreme low-fat diets. Fat is essential for absorbing vitamins A, D, E, and K. And prioritize rest. Deep sleep is when your body naturally restores hormonal balance. Your hormones aren't the enemy. They're just out of sync. And nutrition is one of the simplest ways to bring them back into rhythm. Vitamin A isn't just about vision or skin. It's a guardian nutrient. It protects your eyes, heals your skin, strengthens your immunity, and keeps your hormones stable. Yet in our modern lives, filled with screens, stress, and low-fat diets, many women unknowingly run low on this essential vitamin. The good news? You can rebuild it. Gently, naturally, and consistently. A handful of colorful vegetables, a drizzle of olive oil, a few mindful minutes outside each day, small choices that make your body stronger from the inside out. So let's recap the 4 signs. 1, dry eyes or poor night vision. 2, dry or dull skin. 3, weak immunity. 4, hormonal imbalance. If these sound familiar, your body isn't broken. It's just asking for nourishment, and the best way to respond is with care, not criticism. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please subscribe to Longevity for Moms. Your support helps us continue creating thoughtful, science-backed videos that help women rebuild strength, calm, and vitality. One day, one choice, one vitamin at a time. Remember, you don't need perfection to heal. You just need awareness. I'm in a little more light.